conditioner century. Let me today make a special air conditioner video for you. Today I want to make the detailed introduction for the air conditioner, why our quality is very good for our air conditioner. So let's do it for the air conditioner. Hello, welcome back. As you can see, this is our mostly indoor panels. As you can see, this is our hydro display for the temperature, and this is our logo here. We can OEM customer logo. So for this airflow inlet, we can choose customer function from up and down, from left and right, the customer options. So let's open the door. As you can see, this is our indoor evaporator. You can see our soldering technique. It's very clean. And this is our PCB board. As you can see, this is double door inside evaporator. With 15 tubes. This is our indoor air fan with the motor here. This is our motor. And from the back, there is our water inlet tubes. The standard size is 18 centimeters, but for customers, we have more longer length. We can customize the length of the tubes. This is our indoor packed accessories. Will including one remote control battery. Also, we will have the remote control holder. If customer wants more remote control, also we can match with two as customer's requirement. Hello everyone, this is Cecilia. As you can see, this is our wall split outdoor unit. As you can see, this is our design for our outdoor unit. Customers can OEM their logo here. We can put the special stickers for the outdoor machine. Let's open it. This is our plastic fan with this fan motor. And as you can see, this is our outside door condenser with a double door, with each side 12 tubes, plus it's 24 totally tubes. And we use 100% pure copper. Then, as you can see, this is our compressor part. It's for 4 waves. This is our compressor brand. For the compressor brand, we have multiple brand options for GMCC, Rage, Highly. This is the most famous brand compressor in China market. As you check the soldering detail for each part, our soldering is doing very clean and well soldered part. And for the back part, also we can add the metal protection
net. Also, we can have the plastic one for more economical options. This is our outdoor unit. Have the accessories. This is our draining pipes with the seal. With this is the seal for the wall installation. Also, we have matched with 3 meters Cooper pipe. For the Cooper pipe, customer can OEM for 3 meters standard or 4 meters, 5 meters as customer's option.
Thank you for coming today. Today I have already made introduction for our indoor and outdoor unit with a very detailed videos for our every part for our air conditioner. If you want to know more information about our air conditioner, please feel free to contact with us.